Hello everybody and welcome back to another grammar lesson. Today we're going to be doing a review, a phrase review. Now, as you guys already learned and hopefully remember, a phrase is what? A group of words that is not a complete thought. It is missing either the subject or the verb. It is not a sentence. So far, we've learned some different kinds of phrases. We've learned about noun phrases, prepositional phrases, and phrasal verbs. Wow, we've learned a lot. Today we're going to just review each of those and see if we remember kind of how to identify them and what they are. So the first phrase we have here is the big scary lion. Now, is this a sentence? It is not, because it's missing, in this case, it's missing the verb. So the big scary lion is what kind of phrase? It's a noun phrase. Well, how do we know? Remember, a noun phrase ends with a noun, and there are some words that are related to the noun that tell us more information about the noun. For example, in this phrase, we know that the lion is big and scary, because these words tell us more information. Now, how about this one? Oh, these should look familiar to you. Call off, take after. Aha, those are phrasal verbs. And if you remember, a phrasal verb is a group of words that acts as a verb in a sentence. And we know that it's different from a regular verb because, like this one, call off. Call is a verb. It means to, call someone, like on the phone. Whereas call off means to cancel something. Same with this one. Take after. Take means to pick up something and, bring it towards yourself, something like that. Take after means to look like someone. So these are our phrasal verbs here. How about this one? This one should also look familiar too. On the mountain. This is a prepositional phrase. How do we know? Well, it starts with a preposition and it ends with a noun. Just as all prepositional phrases do. They start with a preposition and they end with a noun or a pronoun. And if you remember, here's some examples of some very common prepositions that you will see in English. There's lots and lots and lots, but these are some of the common ones. How about this last one here? I went hiking with my family this weekend. Is this a phrase? It's not. This one is a sentence. It's a complete thought. It has a subject, it has a verb, it tells us a complete thought. Remember, a phrase is a group of words that is not a complete thought. It is missing either the subject or the verb. It is not a sentence. And don't forget, noun phrases, prepositional phrases, phrasal verbs. These are all the ones that you've learned so far. Let's review.
Phrases review. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that is not a complete thought. What are phrases missing? Phrases are missing either the subject or the verb. They are not sentences. How can we identify noun phrases? Noun phrases end with the noun and have words that are related to the noun that tell us more information about the noun. How can we identify phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are groups of words that act as a verb in a sentence. How can we identify prepositional phrases? They start with a preposition and they end with a noun. What are examples of some common prepositions? In, on, over, of, around, about.